Hi there, my name is PCL Jamal and I'm sure you don't care. However, I spent 350,000 gems on this video, so I really hope you like it because that would just be sad because I wasted my gems. Anyways, why am I filling my den with 100 pink plastic flamingo decorations? I don't know. Maybe because I have nothing else to do with my life. But you know, how about I just show you all the flamingos that I put in my den for no reason. I really hope you enjoy this. I highly doubt you will. But hey, why not? I actually did this. I actually filled my den with 100 flamingos. Why did I do this? This is completely unnecessary. This doesn't even look like 100. I feel like 100 should take up the entire den. Oh my goodness. I don't know how I feel about this. And there you have it. I just recycled all of my flamingos. That was a really pointless video. I will see you later, if I'm still alive later.